I'll show you the step-by-step process to safely verify your identity inside Cash App to instantly skyrocket your transaction limits. We will look at exactly how to avoid the critical matching errors that cause Cash App verification to get rejected or delayed for weeks. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. Verification is needed if Cash App hits you with a flashing red transaction denied or limit exceeded error when trying to complete a transaction. Standard, unverified accounts are heavily locked down by federal banking regulations. First, unlock your device and launch Cash App. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the home screen. Scroll down through the menu until you see a limit and tap it. If you have already hit a limit, you can also access this by tapping Security and Privacy. Look for the Identity Verification section and tap Verify Identity. Cash App isn't just being nosy, they are legally required to follow KYC laws or Know Your Customer. These are strict federal financial rules that require apps to verify your true identity to prevent automated money laundering, tax evasion, and identity theft. Now, the app will prompt you to type in your core personal details, your full legal name, your date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number or SSN. The automated computer system checks your submitted details against official government records. If your Cash App profile display name uses a casual nickname, like Danny, but your legal Social Security card says Daniel, the automated checker will instantly flag a mismatch and lock your account out. Make sure the text you type matches your official government documents perfectly before clicking Continue. To unlock the highest transaction tiers, Cash App will prompt you to complete a mobile photo verification. You will be asked to snap a clear photo of a government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license, state ID, or passport. Do not hold the ID card in your hand while shooting, because finger placement can block vital text. Lay the ID completely flat on a dark, high-contrast table under clear, indirect lighting to prevent blurry camera glares. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to complete a live selfie facial scan. A live selfie scan uses your front-facing camera to map your facial structure, proving to the security system that you are physically present and matches the photo on your ID card. Once verified, your limits instantly skyrocket. You just unlocked a sending capacity of up to $7,500 per week, and your receiving cap is now completely unlimited. It also enables stock trading and Bitcoin withdrawals, and lets you hold an unlimited cash balance. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our Cash App video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.